Hey friends, so if you ever wondered on how much YouTube actually pays for 1,000 views, I think you're in the right place, because in this video I am going to break down the real numbers from my own channel, and you can see how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 views that I get for every video that I post on this channel. But I'll be sharing the strategies on how to make more money with just 1,000 views that you can get on your channel. So I think this video is really going to help you, and I'm pretty sure that you can start making the same amount of money that I make for just 1,000 views on your YouTube channel. So let's now dive in. So right now this is my YouTube dashboard, and let me go ahead and search all these videos of 1,000 views. And again, I found something very interesting that can really help you to make more money, the same that I make on this channel. This is really going to blow up your mind. Alright, so I'll start to show you this video that earned less amount of money to the video that earned highest amount of money just for 1,000 views. So let's begin with our first video. Alright, so this is our very first video. It has 1,100 views and it earned only $5 with 89 cents. And this one is our second video right here. As you can see, it has 1,200 views and I generated $80 on this video. This is another video with only 1,300 views and I generated $7 just on this video. And now I'm super excited to show these coming videos, because these videos earn a lot of money, and I can say that this was a reasonable amount of money, and I'll show you all the strategies on how you can make the same amount of money that I'm going to show you in this coming video. So this one got me 1,100 views and generated $80 again. So this is our first video that earned highest amount of money for 1,000 views, and I was so excited about this, and I'm pretty sure that this is really going to inspire you to use the same methods that I used on my video. So this video alone, it got 1,600 views and generated $17 just for one video with only 1,000 views. This is not a joke. This is reasonable amount of money for 1,000 views. And on this one I got 1,800 views and generated $15. Right now, let me tell you the most interesting thing about YouTube revenue. You know, a lot of creators are making a less amount of money when they have 1,000 views. Others are making only $1, others are making only a few cents, and others are making at least $3. But for me, most of my videos with at least 1,000 views, they're making at least $80 up to $17, which can be a reasonable amount of money. So right now, let me show you this channel that I have. I have two YouTube channels. I have this one, I talk about finance, and I have another channel which I talk about entertainment and all this stuff. So you can understand my point when I'm going to show you this channel, and you can see how much this channel is making for 1,000 views. So right now, let me go ahead and show you this channel that I have. Okay, so this is my other channel, and I'm gonna go forward and I'm gonna pick this video with 15,000 views, and in this video I got paid only $3. So just imagine, for 15,000 views I made $3 on this channel, which is really not good amount of money. On this video I got too many views, but not a lot of revenue generated from this one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick another video from this channel. As you can see here, on this video I generated 44,000 views and it only generated $80. So just imagine, for 44,000 views you make $80, which is really not satisfying. So this is very disappointing, and I'm pretty sure that most of you creators are going through the same thing that I am going through with this another channel that I just showed in this video. Let me tell you why other creators are getting paid more and others are getting paid less. So the reason that other creators are making insane amount of money on YouTube is because of the niche on topics that they talk on their YouTube channel. Because I have two channels, as I said before. The other channel that I have is talking about entertainment, is talking about local news and sports, which I'm not making insane amount of money on this channel because of the niche. But this channel that you can see me talking right now, on this channel I talk about finance. So if you talk about technology, if you talk about finance on a YouTube channel, you're gonna be in a position to start making a lot of money. So if you're now thinking about creating a YouTube channel, the only thing that you can do right now, you have to sit down and you have to do research on these topics that you want to talk about on your YouTube channel, and you can start making money. So you really have to choose the right niche that can be good for you and can make a lot of money for you. You just have to make sure that there are a lot of niche out there. You can talk about technology, you can talk about how to make money online, you can talk about different stuff, but you just have to make sure that the niche that you're choosing, it has high potential for you to make a lot of money on YouTube. Also, you need to have passion with this niche that you're choosing. And if you have YouTube channel but you're not satisfied with the amount of money that you're making, I think you may consider switching up your niche. I want to tell you a very interesting thing about you switching up the niche. I know you may be asking yourself, is it possible for you to change from this niche to another niche? It's really possible because I tried before. On this channel, I was once talking about entertainment. I was posting different videos about this band which is very famous in Korea, which is called BTS, as you can see, and I was receiving insane amount of views, more than 1 million views every single month on this channel, but I didn't make a lot of money, and I was really not satisfied with this content that I was doing before. So the only thing that I decided was to change and switch from this niche that I was doing before, entertainment and sports, to this niche that I'm doing right now, that I talk about how to make money online and personal development and all that. So I think it's really possible for you to change your niche if you're ready. At the beginning, it can feel very confusing because a lot of people are going to unsubscribe with your channel, but you can still posting and the right people will just find your channel and you can start making money just by doing that. So if you're thinking about the ways for you to start earning more on YouTube, you can start another YouTube channel maybe, and you can start posting about technology and all this niche about how to make money online. These are most profitable niche that you can make money on YouTube and all that. So I really encourage you, just have to try new things. You don't know, maybe this channel that you are thinking about creating right now, you really don't know how far that channel can take you. So you just have to go ahead and you can create another channel, or you can switch up the niche. It all depends on you. So I think this is it for today, and I really hope to see you next time. Thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.